Well, it's not season 3, it's season 2, and it's just the rest of the episodes of season 2. Season 2 brings me all the way until I land here in India, and that's where the story, that's where season 2's finale ends, is when I land here to go on the Big Boss show. And season 1 talks about my childhood and everything that happened as a child or a young adult, teenager, and all the decisions that I made up until that point. And then season 2 goes into, you know, my family. My mother and father both pass away, and I get married. That all happens all back-to-back craziness. And it goes through how our decision-making went into coming here to India. So there's a lot of different stuff happening in the show. Oh, from when I came here? Oh, it's a crazier roller coaster. It's a different type of journey compared to one that, you know, when you grow up and you make certain decisions. Coming here has been the most amazing, and it's been scary at times, and crazy and ridiculous, and amazing moments happen. I mean, I adopted, you know, Nisha. Daniel and I adopted Nisha from here, and I mean, there's so many amazing things that have happened since, you know, I've come. I think more good things than bad. It's absolutely amazing. It's the best time period of my life ever. You know, every time I wake up and I see my children, it's the best feeling. I mean, this morning Nisha was feeding the boys, and it was the most precious thing I've ever seen. And I'm sitting there videotaping. I'm like, everybody back up, let her do her thing. So it's really just so amazing to watch all 3 of them. Both Daniel and I really wanted to be parents for a very long time. So we spend so much time with our kids, and I feel like we've been blessed. Even though we're working, and we're working very hard, we've done a great job in our time management to make sure that we are there during their waking hours. If they're sleeping or napping, we're trying to finish our work or get as much done as possible. And if I'm on long shooting schedules, I bring the boys with me, and then Nisha will come on the weekend. So we do spend a really great amount of time with our kids. Our production house is going to be launching its first film, shooting it this year, so we're all very excited.